Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now we have to scroll and tap on apps and notifications. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced, and here we have to scroll down again and tap on special app access. Here we've got install unknown apps, so let's enter. And this is the list of apps which are currently not allowed to install anything. Of course, you can change it. Just tap on the app you'd like to allow. So let me pick the Chrome, for example, and tap on the switcher right here. Remember that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps are not verified by the developer, and your device and personal data may be more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps. So remember that you're doing it on your own and on your own responsibility. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content, and of course it will work with all other apps, for example with the Gmail and so on and so on. And if you'd like to turn it off, because you can do it anytime you want, just go back, tap on the Chrome and tap on the switcher again. Let's get it back, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is again not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.